In Excel, there are a few key terms you should understand and use correctly. The first one is workbook. A workbook is simply an Excel file, and the two words mean the same thing. For example, the file used in this lesson is named 01 Examples, and you can see this name at the top of the Excel window. So, whether you say file or workbook, you are talking about the same thing. Every workbook contains at least one worksheet. If you look at the bottom of your Excel window, you will see one or more sheet tabs. These are called worksheets. Some workbooks may have several worksheets, such as one for each month, quarter, or sales region. For instance, if your company has 15 branch offices, you might have a separate worksheet for each office. You can also add new worksheets whenever you need them. Each worksheet is made up of rows and columns. All worksheets have the same number of rows and columns. When you press the down arrow key, you move down through the rows in a column, such as column A. But if you try to scroll all the way down, it would take forever. To quickly reach the bottom, hold down the Ctrl key and press the down arrow. Do not be surprised when I tell you that every worksheet has 1,048,576 rows. Although most users never need all those rows, they are available if you ever work with large datasets. To return to the top, press Ctrl plus Home. Now, let us look across the screen. Each vertical set of cells is a column, just like columns that hold up a building. Columns are labeled with letters A, B, C, and so on, while rows are labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. After column Z, Excel continues with A, B, A, C, and this pattern continues until you reach the last column. You can quickly move to the far right by pressing Ctrl plus right arrow to reach column XFD, which is the last one. That means each worksheet has over 16,000 columns in total. And then return to the top left corner with Ctrl plus Home again. So, to summarize, a workbook is an Excel file. Each workbook has one or more worksheets. Every worksheet has the same number of rows and columns. It is also important to understand how cells work in Excel. Every piece of data you enter goes into a cell, and each cell has its own unique address. For example, if the active cell is in column C and row 4, its address is C4. You can see this address displayed in the small box above the column letters, next to the formula bar. When you click another cell, such as in column F, row 3, its address becomes F3. Click one below it, and that's F5. These cell addresses become very important when you start creating formulas. In Excel, we always write the column letter first, followed by the row number, like A1, D6, or G10. This consistent system helps Excel know exactly where to find or place data. Remember, every Excel worksheet has the same number of rows and columns, though you can adjust their width to fit your data. And finally, the file you are working in, like 01 Examples, is called a workbook, which can contain one or more worksheets. These simple ideas form the foundation of how data is organized and displayed in Excel. Now that you understand how workbooks, worksheets, and cells work in Excel, you are ready for the next step, using Excel help to find answers and explore features on your own. Do not miss the next video. And if you found this lesson useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. See you again.